My name is Scott Baroga.
And we're going to talk about our favorite project in biotech engineering, which was the filtration device. And now I'm going to pass it to Scott.
The filtration device is where we had to build a cheap filtration device for the countries that were in recent crises. And my favorite part about the project was where we had to build the device with anything what we could find, like rocks, coal, plastic bottles, anything that we could be recyclable.
And what I really enjoyed about it was that, like, after the water was filtered, we needed to find out if the pH level and the ORP. And so, for example, like the pH level had to be around 7 to be able to be drinkable.
I am about to talk about the main themes of the course. The first being different biofuels. We found ways that algae has some foods can be fermented to make biodiesel that's safe for the environment. Next is food security, about places in the world that don't have access to proper food with nutrients and clean water. After that is drinking water, where we learned that water treatment facilities we have limited supplies of water and that we have to reuse it and it has to go through a process to get clean so that it can be used. The last is GMO, or genetically modified organisms, that we can reconstruct the genetic structure of plants so that it can survive in harsh environments or make it so that it's resistant to outside forces. These themes are related because we as engineers found ways that the world around us can benefit us, as well as that the world faces significant environmental challenges that can be addressed via the combined efforts of scientists and engineers. Thank you for listening, and I'm going to pass it to Ignacio.
Thank you, Scott. Hello, I am back to talk about what I think is the greatest challenge facing humanity and why. I believe that the lack of fresh water is the greatest challenge facing humanity today, because 97.5% of the Earth's water is salt water and not for human consumption. The only 2.5% of water is fresh water, but even then, 70% of it is frozen in the ice caps of Antarctica and Greenland. And there is fresh water deep underground aquifers, but it's not accessible for us humans. This leaves at 1% of freshwater accessibility for direct human use. The reason we need drinkable water is to help nourish and protect the brain, spinal cord, and other tissues. It helps keep the body's temperature normal, and so on. If we ever lack the availability of clean drinkable water, dehydration will kick in, reducing the amount of blood in your body, forcing the heart to pump faster. I believe that the best solution for this is to improve the facilities that recycle wastewater. The recycled wastewater could be used as normal freshwater. It could be used to recharge groundwater aquifers, to meet commercial and industrial water needs, and for drinking. The reclaimed water is made from wastewater that is treated to remove solids and impurities. The way this solution can improve environmental sustainability is that the usage of water reclamation decreases the pollution sent to sensitive environments. It can also help improve wetlands, which benefits wildlife depending on the ecosystem. It also helps reduce droughts because the recycled water helps reduce their use of fresh waters from underground sources.